Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to auto-rotate the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus and Ultra. So let's begin the video. So guys, if the auto-rotate is enabled, you can auto-rotate any app. No, you can rotate any app. So for instance, if you go to that app and you turn the screen, it rotates. Okay, and that's because you have the screen auto-rotation enabled. And you can do that for any app except the home screen. Now, if you want to be able to auto-rotate the home screen as well, you can go into your settings. Under settings, scroll down to home screen. Tap on that. And then under home screen, if you scroll, you should see the option to auto-rotate to landscape mode. So with that option enable, this one right here, once you enable that option, as you are rotating other apps, if you turn on the home screen, it also auto-rotate the home screen. So you can see the home screen is also auto rotating. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.